Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can add fade in and fade out text effect on CapCut. So here first you can just go to text and type in your text, and you can select your favorite font. Click on a check icon and now go to animation in and select fade in for 0.5 seconds and click on out, and now add some fade out also for 0.5 seconds. Click on a check icon and now copy the text and put it under like this, and change the text on a second text box. Oops, I'm going to delete it. Okay, like this, and now trim the text, then make both text overlap a bit like this. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can add a fade in and out text effect on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click like, thanks, comment, and subscribe. Bye.